Welcome back, DIYers. In today's video, we're going to check out this AIPER S1 Surfer, so let's dive in. So I want to show you guys everything that comes in the box here. You have a couple of different instruction options here, and then you also have the charger, and then you have the vacuum itself. As you can tell, it is pretty large in the size-wise, but it's also not very heavy, which is nice. You can see it right here. It covers a lot of space, which is great that you're going to need that, but it's not very heavy, which is super useful and easy to maneuver. A couple of things I like about it right here. It has these sensors right on the outside and these little wheels as well. This is where it makes it so that it's not going to get stuck on stairs, or if you have a above ground pool like myself, that it's going to make sure it keeps on going. It also has these little propulsion options right here. These are going to help push it through the water and then also make sure that it again gets to where it needs to go. And this is nice because these also work well in saltwater pools as well. So a couple of good options for those. But you can see all you have to do is place this in the water and it will begin sucking up and grabbing anything on the surface. This is something we have definitely need in our pool because so often we're able to get the leaves on the bottom or anything like that, but all the stuff on the top I either have to get out with a net or some other way. So this is going to be super helpful for us. And here's a video of just what it looks like and kind of what it's doing. You can see it actually just pushes around the pool and it grabs all the items on the top as well. So that's super easy and convenient because all you have to do is make sure that this is charged, or even use the solar power I'll talk about in a minute, and just let it run around your pool, grab all the items on the top, and then you can just dump it out. And here is our friend's pool that was full of leaves. We wanted to show you guys just how good this thing does. After a few minutes, it was able to go around and grab a lot of these leaves, these needles, and all other types of items in their pool. After, again, just a few minutes of it running around, we were able to go ahead and dump it. And the way you dump these is after you take them out, it pops up. And what you'll do is just go ahead and grab the little lever right there, and you'll see that all of your contents are going to be right here in this basket. All you need to do is just open up the basket right here. Opens right up. Then once you're done and you've rinsed it out and got it all clean, you'll just throw it right back in there and then slide the top over and you're ready to put it back in. But this is what my friend's pool looked like. You can see all the items in here, but we were able to get all these things out. And then all you have to do is rinse it off and you can place it back into your vacuum. Then I also wanted to show you just a couple other features on the back here. You see it does have the start button right there in the middle, and then it also has the charger. But like I mentioned, this also can use solar power as well. So a couple different options for charging. And here's the link for Amazon, just to kind of show you a couple things. Again, you see this is the upgraded option. Has the app, which is really cool. So that's really one thing you're going to like, is it has a little app with it. So you're able to do that. Then it also has, again, the feature that you can pick up leaves, hair, twigs, and dirt, which is really cool. App also will tell you the temperature of the water as well. So while it's running out there, it'll tell you how cold it is or how warm it is. Then, it, like I mentioned, it has those little sensors. So you're not going to get stuck or any of those things. And then, like I talked about, it has the performance. This is, again, the charging option up here, and also the salt tolerant motors. So that's really cool. And then also the option, or the basket that all the stuff goes in. Competitors are a little bit smaller. This one has the 5 liter capacity as well. So a bunch of cool options with that. But you can see, again, monitor temperature, 12-hour battery life, which is huge, dual charging modes, and then also ideal for all swimming pools, whether you have an in-ground or above ground. A couple other options, again, easy maintenance and quick cleaning. I'm going to be able to clean the top there. The Surfer right here, surface skimmer, avoids getting stuck on steps, which is really nice, or anything like that. And then again, a lot of cool other features, really great option for this. And then you can see the price currently right now is at $2.99, or it might even be $3.99 once you see it as well. But I think overall, this is going to be an incredible skimmer for you. I know I'm super excited to see everything that's going to be picking up here on this pool season for us. This again has been one of the things that we have needed to be able to clean out all the leaves and all the debris and everything that falls in our pool, because we have so many trees and so many leaves that get stuck in filters, that get stuck everywhere. And this way we'll be able to clean up our pool, let this thing run, charge with the sun, also charge it as well, but we'll be able to charge it with the sun, have all these cool features, and be able to keep our pool clean. Our kids are going to love it, and it's definitely going to help increase our pool activity this summer. But if you're interested in this item, I will have a link below. Let me know if this video was helpful. You can also check out another pool review video right here, and I'll see you over there.